Reviving the third front was like flogging a dead horse, but the political churning in Bihar has again pumped fresh life into the third option in the run-up to the 2014 election. The sparks were lit even as the Bihar political theatre was hotting up. Mamata was quick to lob the federal front idea. This was lapped up by Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. As the Eastern Bloc was taking shape, Mulayam's call for a coalition politics gave a fresh twist to the nationwide debate on the third front. Well, Nitish can join the Eastern Bloc, a federal front of loose regional satraps. He shares good chemistry, as you know, with them. He's the first among equals and could easily take a shot at the Prime Minister's post. But a maverick Mamata Banerjee, volatile and unpredictable at the best of times, could make the alliance wobble. Nitish has the second option of joining the grand alliance of the Mulayam-led third front, which is now being called the fourth front, but he would have to play second fiddle to the heartland's Yadav satrap. But the grouping could attract several Congress allies like the DMK and the NCP, perhaps even the TDP. The Bihar developments have triggered a political cacophony.
कई सवाल ऐसे हैं जिनमें कांग्रेस और बीजेपी असफल हुई है, तो तीसरे मोर्चे की तीसरी ताकत की या कोई नाम दिया जाए उसका देश को जरूरत है। और इधर जब भी मतदान हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं ये दिखाई दिया है कि जनता चाहती है कि तीसरी ताकत देश में हो।
Well, the Biju Janata Dal remains equidistant both from the BJP and the Congress. But I think a federal front or a third front would be a healthy thing for the country.
That's their internal matter. It's really not my concern who leads the BJP, who doesn't. My concern is how the Congress party is doing, how we're doing in different states.
सवाल ये है कि हमारा उद्देश्य बिल्कुल साफ है कि वामपंथियों का, खासतौर पर मार्क्सवादी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का, हम चाहते हैं कि कोई एक ऐसी सरकार जो वैकल्पिक नीतियों को लागू करे। और वैकल्पिक नीतियां लागू करने वाली ना कांग्रेस होगी ना भाजपा। और देश की जनता को राहत चाहिए, और राहत के लिए वैकल्पिक नीतियां जरूरी है। तो कौन इन नीतियों के आधार पर साथ आएगा उस पर निर्भर करेगा।